It's just me. Calm down. I thought I should, you know, cut up a shirt for the summer. Oh no. It is summer. It is going to be, apparently, according to all the weather people, it's going to be 40 degrees in Australia, and I'm like, yay. I am cooking, so don't let me forget about my pies. I've literally just put them in. Let me know when they're ready. Thanks. And can we just ignore how my hair is and my makeup? Thank you. Disclaimer over. I got this beautiful shirt from H&M. It is a man's shirt. Look how big it is. Aha! And then we go to turn it around. Aha! Are we impressed? I think so. I think so. See, whenever I go shopping, I don't like trying things on, so I just buy the wrong size every time. Every time. I try things on and then I get like a complex. I'm like, oh! Ew! If you got professional cutting scissors, bring them along. Just don't poke an eye out, okay? Like, I'm being real serious. You've got to be...
Wow. Wow.
Here's the problem. Let me show you. Alright, look at this. I'm an idiot, alright? See, here's the problem. It is a boy's shirt. And I was like, oh, I like the colour and the design. So, what are we going to do? We're going to try and make it look nice. That's this video. Wow. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should just do a little trimmy here, a little shimmy here, a little here. I don't know. Why do I do this to myself? I buy things and they don't look good-ish. And this is an XL. I'm going to XL my way up to this top. No. How wrong I was. Roll your sleeves up because we're going to get some serious work done. Gonna achieve a lot of shit. Gonna literally do this, eat pies, and then game. Oh, you guys can't see what I'm doing. We're gonna make a snippy at the top of your titties, alright? So, I'm actually really scared. Wait, this is a stupid idea. Continue. Alright. Did it! Yay! No, look great. That looks disgusting. What have I done? I've done it so bad. Oh. Yep, let's keep going. What have I done? That is so strange. Just another snippy at the top of the titty, okay? Now this one, why is it a triangle? I look disgusting. Okay, let's keep going. So I can get off your TV screens. You guys are gonna see me wear this and you're gonna be like, I witnessed that. I witnessed that fail. What am I, why is it this? Ooh, I made a love heart. How do we feel? I feel great. Look, that's not bad actually. How's that look? Oi! She ain't bad. Why don't we just cut out my armpits so I can breathe? Sorry, I'm cutting up your desires and your hard work and dedication because let's be real, it's so hard to see. We've never seen this before, H&M. We've never seen this. We've never seen this summit. I'm so hard. I'm so hard. What?
Wow.
Ew. Oh, I need another hand. So, we're just gonna... That looks stupid. Why did I do that? I don't like that. It looks like I've just been to Jurassic Park. What the hell? Ew! Ooh, let's do a snippy over here. No. Bring in some more air for the Australian weather. We need to make that bigger. That's what she said. Okay, that was a bad joke. I'm sorry. I won't probably do it again. You know, I don't mind this. I like this. I like that. That, we don't talk about her. And that's stupid. Why did I think of that? I don't like this section. It doesn't look complimentary to me. And let's be honest, what does look complimentary to me? So, we're going to be crazy and we're going to do these, we're going to cut out like that. You know, if someone does follow this tutorial, please show me a photo. I'm going to be so impressed. I can barely see anything with these lashes. Like, it's like I've lost half of my vision. And they're so heavy. You get more tired with lashes on. They don't tell you that. Actually, I'm impressed. I've outdone myself again. That looks beautiful. Probably no, it doesn't. You know when things have hanger appeal? Yeah, this is it. I can comfortably say I am a designer. Wow, I'm so good. No, I'm not really human. I can't be perfect. Jesus. I didn't think this through. How bad does it look? Hold on. Bitch, you don't look boxy no more. Hold on. You know, where do we go from here? You know, I don't know. I don't like this at all. It's like, oh, let's accentuate my hips more. Okay, let's make this into a V to match my gender. I'm losing my patience left and right. I don't know what I'm doing, but that's alright. My voice isn't good because it's not good. So if you got any questions about that, I just answered it for you. Oh, I think this is such a nice design. I've done bloody well, mates, bloody well. Hey! This looks like trash. Oh yeah, I made some more snippies over there. So what we do is we open up these. We open up to the people. Let's look at this flap! I'd actually probably wear this and I'd get a lot of hate for it, but that's my life. I don't really know what I've done here and I don't know how to fix this. Should I just do a big ass cut here? Yeah, let's do that. Just shape things up a bit, make it look a lot more rough, more worse. We've just done a nice cut. I regret that already. That shouldn't have been done. Should I do one on the same? No, stop. All right, guys, this is it. You're welcome. You know, if you're living in a hot country or, you know, you're a hot person, but you need some cool air in there, this is your outfit. This is what you need. We need to make another cut here. I don't know what you're gonna do without this. Are we divided about this? No, we're not. We're not. This is a good design. Please do it. Do this design and show me your artwork. Show me. I want to see it. That's what I got for you guys today. I don't know what else you're expecting from me. Please lower those expectations. Look at that timing though. I made a shirt while I was waiting for my food to cook. What's up, time management? I got it. I got that time management. That's me. Word of advice for people that are a little bit like me and can't cook. Don't forget to turn the stove off. All right? I don't know what to do with these. Does anyone want these? I mean, if you do, just give me a hello. I want them. This is next level. If you really want to, get choked. Wow, I can't breathe, hold on. That is all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, that's fine. Just leave a like on the way out. All my details about my social media and shit are down below. I hope you guys are having a good day and a good afternoon and a bloody good life. No one fucking cares. Oh my god, I'm gonna go. Bye! Can we just look at my nose? I look like goddamn Rudolph's cousin. Look, can we see? It's literally touching my eyebrows. Oh, I can't get down! Alright, never mind. I hope life is getting good for you. I hope life is good for you and I hope it's not too rough at the moment. If it's going to be rough, make sure it's wet and wild rough, not like, oh, no rough. You know what I'm saying? You're welcome on my analogy. Anytime.